Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving second query of the project. So the question goes, what is the percentage of unique products increase in 2021 versus 2020? The final output contains these fields. Unique product 2020, unique product 2021, as well as the percentage change. So what exactly is percentage change here? What does percentage change means? So basically, let me take an example. Okay, so that is will be growing height, right? Let's say you in 2020 your height is, let's say your 20 in 2020 your height is 5 feet, let us say, and then by 2021 you have grown, you have a rapid growth, and then you become 5.5 feet. So what is percentage change? Percentage increase. So we can find percentage increase by the difference between 2021 to 2020. So 2021 minus 2020 divided by 2020. So here 5.5 minus 5 divided by 5. This is the percentage change. This is the percentage change. So in the same way, what they are asking is, like in 2020, there were some list of products, some unique list of products. In the same way, there were in 2021 also they have some products. So we need to count how many unique products were there in 2020. In the same way, how many products were there in the year 2021. So by this, we need to change percentage. We need to find percentage change. Okay. So this is the question. So in solving this question, we will be using a concept called CTE. CTE. So what is CTE? So CTE means common table expression. Common table expression. So in the name itself, it is saying that this table is very common. So while writing some complex queries, we will be using some part of the codes repeatedly. So what exactly is common table is, we'll be using this part repeatedly. We'll be using this code in different places, of the whole query. Okay. So how we can syntax? What is the syntax? Syntax goes like this: with CTE as. So here this is CTE name. We can define any name. We can define CTE with any name. So let us say with Charan as. So that is our wish. So this is what common table expression is. So let us start solving this query. Okay. So what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2022? So what we need? We need to know years, right? Year 2021, 2020. So these are all years. So we need to know a year, and then as well as we need to know product, right? So let us go through data model here. So see this data model here in DIM product. We have product code. So we have product. So now where is the information about year? So if you can see here it is in physical year. So that is fact gross price. So physical year is in fact gross price. So why can't we join these tables first? So let us do this. So how we can join? So let me make it as a CTE. With CTE as select with CTE as, for convenience sake, select from. So what are the tables we have chosen here? So we have chosen DIM product as well as fact gross price, right? So DIM product as P left join another table, fact gross price as F. So while joining, we must give a condition, right? So that is, see here, on what basis we can we can merge, we can join these two. So product code, right? Yes. So P dot product code is equals to F dot product, F dot product code. This is the query. So with CTE as select P dot product code, I mean DIM product as P, and then left will be joining as left join, factor gross price as F. So this is the join. This is the join. Now let us move. So with so as we didn't select anything here, we let us select this. So we need P dot product codes, and then we need physical year also, right? Physical year. So these are all the only columns required for us. So we have selected these columns. If you remember that while we are discussing optimization techniques, we defined like instead of using star, we must need only use only required columns, right? So I am using here. So next, another I am making another CTE as so here what I am doing is I have products which is the physical years now. So I need to count them. I need to count, right? So select distinct count of distinct product code. Product distinct product code from which table we are using? We are using from CTE, right? CTE. From CTE where I am filtering out for only 2020 here. Filtering out from where physical year is equals to 2020. Exactly in the same way. See here, the code goes like this. So here it is counting distinct products. Okay. So from CTE where fiscal year 2020. So and this becomes as a new column here. Unique products 2020. Now exactly in the same way, I am making out another select of distinct product from CTE where fiscal year is equals to 2021 as unique product 2021. So 2021. Now we have for both years, right? From CTE. So it is showing some error. Okay, because this. So now what we are required? We need to calculate percentage change, right? We need to calculate percentage change. So select. So as they are asking to display unique products 2020, unique products 2021, and then percentage age, and then percentage, and everything should be in one row. So select unique product 2020, comma unique product 2021. Then now we need to calculate percentage change, right? We need to calculate percentage change. So how we can calculate this? So it goes like unique product 2020 minus unique product 2021 into 100, let's say for percentage sake, 100 divided by unique product unique product 2020 as percentage change. So, from which table we are extracting it? From CTE1, because these two informations are available in only in CTE1, right? So that is the reason. So let limit 1. So limit 1. So this is the overall query. So here, as it is showing some error, let us try to find this. So what is the error? So let us try running it. So error you have is in syntax error, okay? With CTE as comma CTE as select count distinct CTE as here. And then here also it is showing some error. Okay, let us keep them in bracket from the CTE. This is gone now. So this is. So it is showing again some error. Unknown column, unique product 2020 in the field list. Okay. Let us see where it is. Unknown column it is saying, right? Unknown column, unique product 2020. Products. Yes. So here we have kept as unique products, right? So let us. Yes. Unique products 2021. Why it is not showing any unique products in? So let us see. Let us debug this. Let us try to debug this. Okay. So with CTE, so CTE1 as select count distinct product from CTE where yes, this is fine. 20, and then select count of distinct product code from CTE where fiscal year is equals to yes. Here it is. It should be 2021, right? It should be 2021. This is the wrong. See here. So we can understand in 2020 there were 245 unique products. In 2021 there were 334, and then in 2020 there were 245. So this is the we can see percentage change here. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.